Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna give you a warning. Do not buy a GE appliance. Look at this. Look at this doggone washer. I paid $1,000 for this about 2.5 years ago, if that. Already leaking. It's already got to be repaired. Now, let me show you something. This, barely 2.5 years old. This failed on me. Would have been $500, $600 to get it fixed. I called an old repairman up. He said, he laughed. He said, the GE, he said, that stuff is a piece of junk. He said, he's been doing this work 35 years. He's never buy a GE product. He said, I can fix it for you, charge you $500, but then the bad thing about it, you would still have a GE product. So here I got it in the trash pile to go out with the trash. You know what I'm saying? I paid a G note for this, over $1,100 for this when I built this home less than 2.5 years ago. Pure garbage. I went and paid $500 for a dryer. I got that in here. I think it's a Whirlpool. Very simplistic. All you need is the most simplistic dryer money can buy. You know, nothing very expensive, just something simplistic, man. You know what I mean? With a little vent, something like this. Paid $600. Not a lot of settings, you don't need all that crap. Whatever you do not buy GE products. Now look at that. Got a rainstorm up inside my house. So either I'm gonna try to find a part, see if I can fix it myself on the cheap, or I'm gonna buy a washer. So less than 2 months after that dryer failed, this fails. Do yourself a favor, man. Don't look at the reviews. You don't need a pretty washer and dryer in your home. You need the basic washer and dryer to get the job done. Save yourself some money, man. All right. Anybody got an umbrella?